Today I'm planning to share with you my experience and the steps to follow while traveling to Dubai. Okay, this is the first step that we need to follow to go to Dubai, and this is only for Dubai who holds Dubai visa. We need to get an approval from GDRFA, and that will be, I'll show you the site from where we have to download this approval. And the second form which we need is an RT-PCR result, which we have to do 48 hours before. And the third which we need is the COVID vaccination card, which we need to download from the Al Hosn app. And I think we can't download it in India, but someone from UAE should download it for you. Okay, this is the link which from where we have to get the GDRFA approval. So when I just click on this, okay, when you go down, you'll see we have to give your residence number, then your nationality, year of birth, and press search. And once you press the search, your name and your details will be coming. Okay, so here I have typed the residence number and the nationality, year of birth, and when I press search, see, all your informations will be all provided there. So now, since they have already your information is there, now you have to give your travel information, contact information, and then again press I'm not a robot and then continue. So after giving all this travel information, contact information, and if you press continue, then the next step is to download your passport, Emirates ID, your vaccination card, and after that, once you post it, your GDRFA approval will be coming to your email ID after 4 hours or maybe more. Okay, this is the second link which is needed for whether to know whether we are eligible or not. And so once I click this link, we'll be taken to the ICA, Federal Authority for Identity and Citizenship website, where we have to again give your Emirates ID, passport number, your passport type, current nationality, and once you press check, you will get a green tick mark. If you're getting a green tick mark, then you're eligible to travel, and if there is a red tick mark, then you're not. So that's the second step which we need to do. So the documents what we need for while traveling is the vaccination card, then we need the PCR test result, which is done 48 hours before, and we need the GDRFA approval. That form we need to download it and take a copy of it in our hands. So that's it. And so these are the documents what we need. So next I will share with you my experience while traveling.